In this video series, we'll look at how to seamlessly integrate WFS with Sellercloud to streamline your order fulfillment process. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Sellercloud warehouses correctly. Before you dive into setting up WFS, you'll need to make sure you've already set up your Walmart Marketplace account integration. Go to Company Settings. Click on Toolbox and then select Walmart Marketplace, followed by General Settings. Click Edit. In the Controls panel, check the box that says Enable WFS Workflow and save your selection. With WFS enabled, let's configure Sellercloud further. To configure your Sellercloud warehouses to track WFS inventory, first you have to create a warehouse in Sellercloud where your WFS inventory will be imported. Set the warehouse type to WFS. Keep the Sellable box unchecked so that the WFS inventory won't be included with the standard sellable inventory for other sales channels. Go further and fill in the relevant address. Click on the green button to finish this step. Next, go to Companies, Manage Companies and find the company you are using. Go to Toolbox, find and click on Channel Warehouse, and in the bottom of the list set WFS to WFS Warehouse. Finally, you should also set up a default interim warehouse. This is where your Sellercloud inventory will be while it's physically on its way to the WFS warehouse. For this, go to Client Settings and update the default WFS Shipment Interim Warehouse setting. Now that your warehouse creation and mapping are complete, you can start enabling products for WFS from Sellercloud. Watch the WFS inventory tutorial to learn about the next step in this process. Thanks for watching.